Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to try triple exponential moving average strategy on KEEV. But before starting this video, you have to do one thing. It's simple. Just like this video and subscribe to the channel. So what is TEMA? Triple exponential moving average was designed to identify trends in an easier way. So why triple exponential moving average and why not traditional moving average? So triple exponential moving average subtracts sum of the leg by taking multiple EMAs of the original EMA, which smooths the price fluctuation and make it easier to identify trends. So the formula for this indicator is very simple. But for the formula, we need three values, which is, as the name suggests, we need three EMAs. So now let's name it as EMA 1, EMA 2 and EMA 3. EMA 1 is an EMA of any period. Let's take it as 20. So EMA 1 is an EMA of 20 period. EMA 2 is an EMA of EMA 1 and EMA 3 is an EMA of EMA 2. So after getting this value, we can get triple exponential moving average value by calculating 3 into EMA 1 minus 3 into EMA 2 plus EMA 3. So the possible buy signal here is whenever TEMA is below the close price, and the possible sell signal here is whenever TEMA is above the close price. So now let's insert this buying and selling condition on KEEV and check the results. So on this page, we have to insert all our buying and selling condition. For now, let's take position as long, interval 15 minutes, chart type candlestick. Buy condition is whenever TEMA crosses below the close price. Crosses. Stop loss 1%, take profit 1.5%. On this page, we have to select stocks, quantity of the stocks, and product type. So stocks can be BVs. Quantity 100. Date. Save and backtest. So here you can check backtest results of the selected stocks for this particular date, where previous lab gave 1% of return, TechM gave 7.6% of return, and Gland Pharma gave 15% of return. So that was the end of today's video. Before using this strategy, please consult your financial advisor. Thank you.